Sat on my window and they told me I don't need to worry. Maybe sometimes we've got it wrong, but it's alright. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow.
Hello and welcome to This Search. This is going to be a break in between the school videos because we're going to Food Truck Fest.
It's the Mega Food Truck Rally.
Mega Food Truck Rally. Where are we? I know this is where we had our prom. Canton Area Castle. Canterbury Castle. Canterbury Castle. Yeah, that's where I had my prom. And then Devin's prom was at the Pirani.
You came to the prom with Shay.
Shay's prom might have been.
Yeah, and then your prom was at some bar.
Canterbury Castle?
I either didn't get any of the candles or I don't know.
Plant-based cooking, no thanks.
Huh? What? I mean, I might go look at that.
I already know I don't want none of that.
You know what would be fun? Being able to do like in live action where everybody is actual a piece. The Harry Potter Wizarding Chess. And I don't know how to play, but I would learn to be a part of that experience. Is that like the brother and sister that went? Okay, I have watched that.
Teriyaki Madness over there.
Coney Dogs and Brats. It's all vegan. I think I'm definitely gonna get something from them.
Oh, they got the restaurant ring over here now.
Ooh, plants.
Get down.
I kind of want a succulent for the guest room / office.
The last time I was out here, Todd, they had one that had, what's that stuff? And they had what's the thing? Funnel cake. They had that stuff.
Because these things don't necessarily need light, right?
No, wait, dude, they might be out there, man.
That's true. Banana pudding.
This is jumping Jimmy, not barbaric berserker. Come on.
Hey, represent BCW.
That's right. Jimmy Jacobs, everybody.
They don't like that same weight class.
You're supposed to swivel your hips too when he does it. Give it up for Jimmy Jacobs.
I feel like something's on my arm.
Sir, not on my arm.
Watch him, ref. Watch him. Keep him back. Keep him back, please. Break. Break. Come on, hey. Pull my hair.
Pull my hair.
Hey, quit whining and wrestle. That's what I'm saying. Thank you. Listen, when I'm in the ring, this is my time. You keep your mouth shut.
I thought you were gonna be like WWE.
Did you see that? Get closer. You texting me. You want to hit me? Come on.
Hey guys, you'll probably be able to tell from this video, but I forgot to film an outro from the food trucks. So I did just want to get on here and tell you guys that it was really fun. Because I had my family with me, it was a little easier like having my camera out in public, but then my hands got full and it became a hassle to try to like hold all the food that I was getting and the camera, which is why I stopped filming. In regards of the food, don't have any filming of us eating it, and I don't have like pictures of anything of what everybody else was eating, but because I have gut issues and can't do any dairy, and there were vegan options there, I took pictures of everything, which I will post the pictures around the screen and stuff, and then either add the Instagrams or Facebook names of each place with the picture on the screen, and I'll also put it down in the description link, and if they had a website so that you guys could check out the food trucks if they come out anywhere near you. And then there was some other stuff. They did have other vendors other than food there. They also had wrestling, which you'll probably see a clip of that before you get to this clip. That it was nothing like WWE, but it was still a bit entertaining by how corny it was. Kinda still had fun watching. And then some of the other stuff that I got, which I will put on the screen as I show what it was, but bought these all soy candles. Let's see if it will. I don't know if it'll. Okay, nonetheless, this one is caramel apple. And this one is banana nut bread. Caramel apple is definitely stronger when burning than the banana nut, but still like them both. 100% soy candles. Got these from there. And then there was this place called All Natural Hippie, which I got some of this wild berry tea. Wild berry tea, which I have tried it already, and it's really sweet. I like kind of the chai more teas. I got it because it has black tea, and black tea has caffeine in it. Still gonna drink it, but they had a whole bunch of other options as well. And then also from All Natural Hippie, I got me a plant for the office slash guest room. It's a little cute succulent that was picked out by my brother. And these things called inhalers, and they had a bunch of different stuff. Like they had inhalers for allergies, to calm you down, for stress, for motivation and stuff like that. They were 3 for $10. So the ones that I got is for cramps. I don't know if my light is too bright or what. But I got one for cramps, one for stress, and one for energy. Now, I haven't tried any of these yet, and what they are is they're a mixture of essential oils, and you open it up and sniff it, but I haven't tried any of them yet because the tea that I've been drinking has been helping with energy. And I've started incorporating working out and dancing, trying to find time to put that back in there, so that's been helping with stress. And then it's not that time of the month yet, so I haven't had to try anything for cramps. But when I do, if you want to know how it is, just let me know in the comments below, and I can always post a video about how these felt. I plan on getting a motivation one as well, because that is definitely something I still struggle with, especially when I get tired, is having the motivation to get up and do things. And then the last thing that I got was from Mexicat, some earrings. Butterflies is my thing. I don't really have a lot of gold jewelry, so I got these. Oh, there it goes. And I got these, and it only worked for a second. Come on. There it is. And I got these ones. So yeah, the food truck rally was at Canterbury Castle, which it's about a half-hour drive from where I live. It is actually, which you'll probably hear in the other clips, where me and a lot of my other siblings had our prom at. It's a big patch of land that had a lot of space to do things, and the food truck rally was fun. It was actually my first one I've ever been to, and the fact that there was stuff there that I could actually eat was great. One of the pictures that you'll see is a burrito taco, which, because the pictures on the truck for the taco truck wasn't showing that they added cheese and stuff, I didn't realize that the burrito taco was like the one that had cheese on it. So the picture you're gonna see is just like a little tore up because I was just eating around the cheese and stuff so that I would not feel good. And the burrito sauce didn't have any dairy in it, so I definitely ate that as well. But with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Just wanted to get on here and do a outro for that little vlog. We all know that I'm going to school and trying to find time to do things, which I've been successful at, making sure I'm keeping good grades and getting everything turned in. Finding time to have fun is a must for me to stay sane, and this was one of those things. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little snippets that I got, and let's continue to figure out this life thing together. See you next time.
Change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If the passion's gone, we ain't doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.